Back again, peeps. It's your boy King James.
Rich kid.
You don't know live.
With
You know why as
combo
always, but you
video.
don't know where we're there with a Noob Saibot video. As you can see on the title of the screen, a 63% combo we are dealing.
What did he say?
With the boy
This
Noob.
character is truly for the noobs.
Yeah, for the noobs. For the noobs. You don't know. For the noobs. But anyways, which kid I say? We can listen to one try.
Yeah, people, we are going showing a new combo that we did with Ghost Freak here.
Ghost Freak. I don't know man I send out for me and go check. How what that, brother? Something on a normal. Alright, so I say, ready now? Ready for them?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's kick
it off.
Alright. First I think Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. We believe in a father. Here we go. Almost can't catch it. Let's go.
Really, nigga?
Here we go. Take a deep breath.
Calm down.
We're not pregnant, but guess what? Ready again now. It's easy now, people. Alright. I feel it.
Bruh.
People
him forget the combo.
No, here we go now. I'm not forget it, dog. Alright, watch it. Ready again.
Yes, come here, brother. Yeah, you got this, bro.
Alright, let's go.
You got this, bro. You got this.
Focus. Highly motivated.
You got this, bro.
Highly motivated.
You got this, man. That was quick.
Warm to them. It's cool now, man. We are not pros. But we are not bots either. You understand? You see that damage there? Yo, 63%.
Tell me not like that.
Yo, tell me if you don't like that, people.
Anyone can do it.
Yeah, man. I know that the first one to see it, but I know I can do it with the great Noob Saibot. Yo, jump some. Yo, jump. Yo.
Hold him.
Yo. We don't want that. Yo. People that like the vid, please don't forget to subscribe to the Jamaican Cheer channel for more content.
Share with your friends, guys.
Yeah, please do. Let us reach 1K
Spread the word and love.
Yeah, you don't know. Irie, we're out in a peace. Much love.